Welcome to RoboMeals, an AI-powered meal prep service platform. The team members are a valuable part of RoboMeals' success, with Nadia as our project manager and tech lead, Elegant as our operations and vendor lead, Chris as our marketing lead, and Chike as our business and financial lead, and now leading into the background.
Let me introduce the core idea behind RoboMeals. RoboMeals is an e-business platform that connects users with local meal prep vendors based on their dietary preferences. It's built for busy, health-conscious individuals who want convenient, nutritious, and personalized meal options. We support a wide range of diets like vegan, keto, halal, kosher, gluten-free, and diabetic-friendly. Through our website and mobile app, users can easily browse menus, place orders, and manage subscriptions. At the same time, RoboMeals helps local chefs and small vendors increase their visibility and compete in the digital food market. Beyond convenience, RoboMeals also focuses on sustainability and local impact. By sourcing meals from nearby providers, we help reduce food transportation and overall waste. This model aligns with growing consumer demand for healthier, eco-friendly, and ethically sourced food options. Research shows people are willing to pay more for meals that are local, responsible, and high quality. Overall, RoboMeals creates a mutually beneficial ecosystem where customers get personalized meals and vendors gain new opportunities to grow.
Diving into the core features of RoboMills, our platform is built on a few essential pillars. First, we have our CRM system, which serves as the backbone for managing customer interactions and supporting requests from both consumers and vendors. Next is our cloud database, where we securely store user profiles, dietary preferences, vendor information, and order histories. Essentially, all the key data that powers our platform. We also have a secure payment processing system that keeps transactions safe and makes subscription billing simple and seamless. Then there's our cloud infrastructure, designed for scalability and reliability, ensuring our service stays smooth as user demand grows and our platform expands. And finally, our analytics tools track user behavior, vendor performance, and dietary trends, giving us insight to continually improve and personalize the experience for each user. Highlighting the key elements of our prototype, users can create personalized profiles so the system can tailor menus and recommendations to their dietary info. We also included an easy to use dietary filter so they can quickly find meals that match their goals or restrictions. On the vendor side, there's a portal that allows vendors to easily manage and update their offerings. Plus, our AI recommendation engine does the heavy lifting, matching meals to each user's preference, location, and budget. And everything is wrapped up in a seamless, user friendly interface that makes browsing, ordering, and managing subscriptions a breeze. So on the screen here, you can see a visual mock-up of our Royal Mills platform. Over on the left, we display the food options with a nice, clear image of each dish. We highlight the dietary restrictions in green letters so it's easy for consumers to see what fits their needs at a glance. We also include calorie counts and nutritional benefits like protein goals, plus a star system showing reviews from other users. In the middle section, we give consumers the ability to browse meals available in their area and find local vendors that suit their taste for the day. And finally, on the right, you can see how users can create personalized accounts. They can mark favorite items, manage their subscription, and check out their recent order history all in one place.
Next, I'll be talking about where RoboMill is going into the future. One of the big ideas is connecting to wearables, things we already use like Apple Health, Fitbits, and continuous glucose monitors. Instead of utilizing static kind of one-time data, RoboMills could use real activities like sleep, blood sugar monitoring to nudge your meals into a healthier direction. So as your lifestyle changes, your meal recommendations change with you. We also want RoboMills to feel more like a nutrition coach and not just a menu. You tell it your goals, whether you're trying to lose weight, manage pre-diabetes, or trying to gain muscle. And it would put together a weekly plan using local vendor information. As your data and habits shift, it adjusts the plan so you don't have to count everything on yourself. Finally, there's corporate wellness. Companies could offer RoboMeals as a benefit, giving employees easier access to healthy lunches from local kitchens. You could handle the recommendations and basic reporting, and employers would get a simple way to support healthy employees while supporting the small local food business. Looking a little further ahead, we like to grow city by city. The idea is to get the model working well in one metropolitan area and then rinse and repeat, creating this playbook for new cities, onboarding neighborhood vendors, keeping quality consistent, and building regional hubs that still feel very local and personal. We'll also be adding a simple sustainability score. The score would factor in things like ingredient sourcing, distance traveled, and packaging. And it gives the customers a way to choose a more eco-friendly option. And it also gives our vendors a reason to improve their practices. Long term, we see partnering with hospitals, clinics, gyms, and dietitians. A doctor could very well recommend a RoboMeal plan as opposed to giving a generic diet sheet. That would move RoboMeals from being just a food app to be part of someone's overall health and wellness. So the big picture, the future of RoboMeals is using data in a smart way, helping people eat better, and then doing it through local kitchens and community partners.
Some of the challenges that our business RoboMeals could face going into this industry would be strong competition from already established meal prep apps such as HelloFresh, Factor, Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub. And this would be a challenge for us because we have to pull consumers from their already established bases and convince them to use ours through the difference and uniqueness of the local personalization and AI that would help develop these nutritional meals. Another key issue for us would be the reliance on small vendors because we are not sure of their quality or if their skills would be able to handle all this, especially in their premise of their packaging and making sure everything is safe, which also leads into how if they are keeping the nutritional information up to date or if they're changing the recipe at all. Because we would have to communicate with them, we'd have to communicate with our company and our app to ensure that all the information is up to date as well, to ensure that everyone is safe and there are no health risks, which would impose a harm in our business. Another challenge for meals would be scaling because we have to scale without losing our local identity because we are focused on using small vendors to ensure that the small businesses are also making a profit. And this kind of leads into data security as we have sensitive dietary and health related information. It is essential to maintain the user privacy so that they have confidence to keep using our app. Thank you for listening.